Outer covering is with white, inner is with red.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ರೆಡ್ ಎಫ್ಎಮ್ಸ್ ಗೋ ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ವೀಕ್ ಫುಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಂಟಲಿಸಮ್, ವೀಕ್ ಫುಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ನೆಸ್, and it's performed by none other than Chetana RS, who is a medical student, also a mentalist, also a super duper intuitionist, who's also someone who's a life coach and solves mental problems of people with her intuitiveness. So Chetana, it being the last day, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the pattern a bit. We're not going to do anything at the table or inside. I've just got you out. I'm going to take you live into the action, into the floor, okay? And we're going to check what people are doing, and I want you to guess if you can actually guess what people are doing there. Okay? Adik munche, blindfold, there is no Bluetooth, there is no wires, nothing at all. This is going to be one clean shot, so you know that there's nothing that's been mixed, alright? So let's go. Put on your blindfold. Okay. You can't see anything. Yes. You can take a close up and see that she can't see anything. Cool. I'll take you onto the floor. So here's where my entire team is seated. So like you can see, everyone's busy working. I want you to go to a person here who is wearing a checkered shirt, a blue checkered shirt. Just go stand next to that person, let's see.
This person.
Okay. And this person here has a diary, okay? He has a diary. I want you to tell me, what do you think he's written? Okay, which page is his diary on? Can you tell me? Which page? Well, let him write something. Okay? Just write something on your page and she's going to guess what you've written. Okay? Write whatever you want to write. Okay, he's written something. Chetana, I want you to guess what that is.
Can you please stand up?
Stand up, stand up.
Give the book to me.
Give the book to her.
Please read out. In your mind.
In your mind, don't read out loud. Mind alle ಇದು ಏನು ಬರ್ದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ. Just
ಯಾವ ಕಲರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕಲರ್ನ
ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ
ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಸಾರಿ, ಪೆನ್.
Give the pen to her. Okay.
Thank you. Exclamatory mark. And there is a line, and he has a split handwriting, and it's diagonal, and he's written in blue.
Whoa! She's got that right. Okay. Let's confirm this more. Okay. Let's just go around. Let's go around a little more.
Yeah. I'll follow you.
Okay. We'll follow. Do you want to? Okay. Can you tell me? Okay. Can you go to a person here who's wearing a sweater? The only person who's wearing a sweater right here, wherever you're standing around. A grey blue sweater. This person?
Grey, white, blue.
Yeah. Oh yes.
Grey,
Oh
white,
my
blue,
God.
and
Okay. So I'm
blackish, greyish.
okay. So I'm going to ask this person here to hold something from his desk. Will you be able to guess that?
Yeah, but we'll go to. I have by-hearted all this, so I remember. We can go to the last, which I didn't go.
Okay, but I want to try this. Can you guess what he just picked up?
No, I didn't actually control him, so no.
Okay, do you want to control that and tell me? Do you want to tell me what he's holding right now? By controlling him? Do you want to do that?
I can.
Okay. What do you think he's holding?
Who?
The person here in front of you, the grey sweater person.
He's holding like this. A god Ganesha, or some god Murti, which is wrapped with glass, a small idol which is in gold, I can see gold, black.
What?
God, I did.
Yes, you got that right. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, come. I'm going to take you to a place which you've not seen at all. Okay? Walk. Just follow me. Let me see if you can guess something out here. Okay, so I'm just getting you here. There is someone sitting here. I want you to guess what this person's wearing.
Black jacket, black and white striped pant, and she's wearing black shoes.
Oh, wow. Okay, there is what I'm going to ask her to hold something. Will you be able to guess that?
Yeah.
Okay, just hold whatever you want to hold from here, whatever. Okay, let's see what if you can.
Tell her to come out here.
Come here. She's randomly taken something in her hand. Now you'll guess what she's holding.
I can see something in white, red, a mug. Outer covering is with white, inner is with red.
Superb. You know what? I'm not going to trouble you anymore. Please take out your blindfold. Well, this is the Go Mental series on Red FM with Chetna RS, who is a medical student. Who's a mentalist, who's an intuitionist, who's also a life coach who helps people with mental problems through her intuition. She's not doing that with me right now, but she's actually performing these acts and she's been fantastic. The entire office here is mesmerized. Give her a round of applause, guys. Catch her more on her handle right there, and if you love what you see, just leave it on the comment section and do share these videos. Thank you.
Red FM 93.5